Hey guys, I just wanted to give you one more short tutorial for the class side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in as a student, show you a couple of things there, and then maybe that'll help clear up even a few more questions. So first I'm going to get out of the way here. This is what I want you to see here. If you'll see, you're actually on my site here. If you'll go up and if you'll click the little buttons here, if you see the test site's not there, but if you scroll down, I can take my classroom and I can bring it up and put it up where I can get to it in a more quick way. So here we go. Going into our classroom site. Here's all the different classes. As you know, we started here. This tutorial will actually be under this site here. This is, and always you can go into the stream here. Excuse me, I'm on the wrong book on site. Let me go right back here and go back to classes. Before you begin, that's the one you'll start with. You'll find this is where I upload this at. Got a little information there. As Radina said, we'll stay on the stream with this and the rest of them will be in classwork. So let's just look at one of them and look at our, go to the Doctrine and Polity. We'll go up here to classwork and you'll see here, there's your syllabus, week 1, the lessons. That's what you're reading here. You view the assignment. It just lets us know what to read. The book is up in the, here is the book to read from. And here we have we'll view this question. Why is it important? Right here, I would type for Unity, just say this. And then I'll remove this in a moment, but we send it out and it's there. And so if you want to respond to me, you would do that. Go right here. Well, I can delete it there, but if you would see this, you'd have a chance to reply. So then you could reply to this. If not, you can respond again. So I'm just going to go here, delete that, take it out, and there it is. Here it is. I can type my answer here. Type my answer here for Unity. You can do it there as well. And so your Unity would come in there. I think it's better if you keep your comments down here. We'll edit that and go back now. And we'll see the classmates answer, discard. And so it tells right here what's going on. So anyway, you can answer it either way, either location there. When you go in here to view the question, you can answer here or you can make a comment here. I think if we'll try to keep our comments in this area, we'll see if that works well that way. So anyway, we're going to go on back now. Or we can just hit the back button up here. I discarded my answers. Okay, here's the self-test. If you get ready, you click on the test, and then you just read these. These are at the end of each week's reading. When you get done, you hit submit, and then pretty much that's pretty self-explanatory. The test is taken. Then I can give you responses to that as well. So here we go. We go back. Old Testament survey. We're going to classwork. It's the same thing. Here's your reading assignment. You read chapters 1 and 2 for the week 1 in that. Then you go, let's see, it's choose one metaphor, assembly, and then you just respond to that. Okay. This is in, oh yes, this is in our, I'm sorry. This is in, you want to answer the discussion question here. You got the due dates over here. So we'll go back in. I want to get into to our class book study. That's the one I was wanting to get to, class. This right here will do for any paperwork you have to do, any type papers. It says read Jonah 1. You read verses 1 through 3, and then do your reflection and response paper. So you view assignment. And so what you'll need to do is you will create your document. Let me do this. You'll create your document in a Word program. Here, once you're done, you'll save it and give it a name, and then once you, whatever your Word document is, when you've got it saved, you come over here to add or create, and just put a file, and then what's saved on, if it's saved on your Google Drive or if it's saved to your file. I usually save mine on my computer. We go back to, we'll open up Gospel Messenger article, say September 2017. That's what I want to do. I upload that, and then I say turn it in. We turn in that, and then I receive that on the teaching side. Right now I'm going to unsubmit it because that's not part of our coursework. And so we're going to X out of it. So that's what you do. You'll do your reflection response, go in your Word program, type it up, and then when you add or create, you can do a file, and you can bring it from your My Drive. That's your Google Drive, where all your paperwork's at. You can select it. If you'll save it to your Google Drive, your Google Drive is part of this up here. Right here's your Google Drive. So if I click on that, this will show all my documents that I have in a Google Drive. You'll have this when you go into your class. So let's go back to the class. And just want to touch on those things. Anything that you're doing where you have to write outside of a discussion question, if you have to write a paper, reflection response, that's how you add it on there. So, hope this is not too confusing. If you have any questions, let me know about it, and we'll try to get back with you. Bless you guys.